Okay, we are upstairs at 313 Seaboard showing the air conditioner that was patched together. It had obviously had some work done to it before, as all the metal screws are out, and somebody knew that this airflow unit had problems. They tried to caulk here before. That was ineffective. New screws had to be put in upon the patchwork repair we were able to do on it. Again, you'll see that all these screws up here are really, really old, and that there's a lot of dust and mold that's collecting up here. What's happening is, because of a pinhole inside of here, we are getting daily an amount of water that you'll see is rather, that one kind of exaggerates it. Let's do it right here. And this is in a tin drip pan. This isn't plastic. It's not a holding tank. That's a drip pan. So I'm going to estimate that to be about a ½ inch of water. But that's a ½ inch going by this entire area. Why does the water matter? Because there's a switch right here. It's a float valve. And this float valve, once it pops up, will shut the air conditioner off. So the water had to be routed down here, and we decided a quick temporary fix would be to try to drain this the best we could, drill a hole, caulk this up, and let it go to the outside drain, which normally goes to the drip here. Well, that didn't do it. Sooner or later, this piece is going to rust out. This floor is going to become as rotted as this old screw. So every day, we are coming down here and we're vacuuming. Next step, I will show you vacuuming. Okay, so part 2 of our featured video is what we have to do every day in order to make sure that this pan doesn't rust through and to have 5 gallons of water pour onto the roof and the occupants below. Here we go. Much suction is coming out, and it's not just water that we're dumping up here. There's a lot of different debris and mold that we're actually hitting. Now, I'm not in the mold remediation business, I'll tell you, this would be unacceptable at my home, and I find it unacceptable in places to do business. We have to pull that out, because even though it's a big 3/4 inch pipe, it still gets clogged with debris. If you look at the bottom, you see the debris coming out. We didn't even get all of it. And that's a daily occurrence. That's the beautiful water that we get to sit here and have hanging over our heads every day until there's a repair done. This is one of several issues we're having at 313 that the Land Trust Company and the Obendorfs have been made aware of, and we're getting a little bit sick and tired of it, to say the least. It's not very professional that we need to be in building repair daily. Thanks a lot. Here's your evidence.